Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix common Instagram bugs. So let's begin the video. At first, you need to clear the app cache, open settings and go to apps, find and tap on Instagram, tap storage and then clear cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing the bugs. Now delete the Instagram app from your device. Go to the Google Play Store and reinstall Instagram. This will clear the bugs and install a new version of Instagram. After that, open Instagram and log into your account. If you are still facing the issue, then report it to Instagram. Just shake your phone and click on report a problem. Describe your issue and submit the report. Instagram's team will work on resolving the issue. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.